But now maybe if you had like wrapped it in a piece of ham and wrapped that with a piece of bacon and a piece of cheese and then a croissant, we might have a deal. Hey y'all, and welcome to Hot Chocolate Chat. Today I'm drinking a hot chocolate from Starbucks, and I want to talk about eating different kinds of foods. I was actually going to say, I was going to explain this meme that I saw, and the meme is like, you get a point for every food that you would eat. Or it was something like that. Like, for example, it had on there liver, and it had on there asparagus and cauliflower. I am kind of a picky eater. However, it really, really depends on, how you prepare it. Would you eat cow tongue, or what we call lengua? Would you eat that? Would you eat liver? Would you eat Brussels sprouts? Because if you're putting the liver and you're putting batter on it and deep frying it, we may have a situation. And let's talk about asparagus. I am not a fan of asparagus. Just in general, it's not something that I'm like, oh, I want some asparagus. And my kids, the Washington kids, they had a grandparent that had an asparagus farm. And so they had it all kinds of ways. Pickled, fried, sauteed, in all kinds of ways they had asparagus. And I didn't like any of them. But now maybe if you had wrapped it in a piece of ham and wrapped that with a piece of bacon and a piece of cheese and then a croissant, we might have a deal. I would consider trying that. Because you probably couldn't taste the asparagus. I just don't like crunchy vegetables in general either. Like green beans, I don't really like green beans either. But my friend Michael up at the realty office, he does fried green beans. Now I don't know what all he puts in it, but there is bacon involved and it's delish. So that's what I'm saying. And y'all comment and let me know, if they made it a certain way, you might eat it. But if you're asking me just in general, would you eat liver? No. Would you eat Brussels sprouts? No. Would you eat asparagus? No. Would you eat cow tongue? No. So basically on that picky eater food meme list, I can't say no to everything because I just don't know how you're preparing it. That's what I want to talk about today. I want to know, are you a picky eater? Are there certain foods that you just will not eat? Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. And if you have a great way to fix Brussels sprouts, let me know too. If you want to follow me on Snapchat, it's sideofawesome. And on Instagram and YouTube, it's Our Gray House. But just don't follow me in real life, though, because that's creepy.